If the problem with your dryer is that when you put it in a drying cycle the dryer runs okay without any problem, but the dryer is not heating properly or is not heating at all, the problem could be the gas valve coils. To check the gas valve coils, do the following. Remove this bottom panel to get access to the gas valve. Set the timer at about 60 minutes on the time dry cycle, and turn the dryer on. Let it run for about 30 minutes. Check the gas burner. If the igniter keeps glowing red hot and then shutting off, but the gas valve never opens to release the gas, the problem could be bad coils, a bad gas valve, or no gas is reaching the gas valve. Replacing the gas valve coils fix the problem about 90% of the times. If after replacing the coils, the gas valve still not opening, then you will need to replace the complete gas valve assembly. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Remove the wires from the coils. Remove these 2 screws. Remove the coils holding bracket. Remove one coil, and replace it with a new one. Remove the other coil, and replace it with a new one. Install the coils holding bracket. Secure it with the 2 screws. Connect the wires to the coils. Install the bottom panel. And try the dryer to see if it heats okay now. To see more of my free videos, visit my website at www.wdrvc.com.